Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. It's actually mate in 3 for white, mate in 4 for white, and you have to find that mate that is the problem of the puzzle. And as you can see, black, even though white is down in material, black's king position is not good, and that is what we are going to exploit. That we have a bunch of almost all of our pieces are attacking toward the enemy king, and they are going to be smash the enemy king. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the moves. Best of luck. Okay, so we have so many attackers this side to the king side, and that is good, but we have to just to play the right combination to win the game. So the first thing that comes to your mind is maybe capturing the pawn by your pawn, but this doesn't make you this is still winning, but it requires a lot of moves and it is not made in 30 even. It's black can get away with this, like capturing like this, and you have to just give up the queen. Obviously black can't take this. This is going to be just checkmate. The queen has to block, and this is checkmate. Black can't get out, but still that is not the correct move, because we have mating for right. We don't want a long game. The first correct move is actually to capture it not with a pawn but with a queen. We are giving our most precious piece in the board. This looks dumb at first, but the idea is we need this pawn to defend the g5 square, which is very key role, right? So after the bishop takes, of course the bishop now has to take this, because otherwise it would be just checkmate. So the bishop has to capture that. It's just the only legal move for black. So what do you think the best move? I will give you a hint. So the hint is this would be just a checkmate. Look at the black king, this poor king. This would be just a checkmate, but now the rook is kind of the problem, right? So guys, as always, if you'd like to pause again, go ahead, pause the video. Okay, welcome back. The move is rook to e7. Look at this. The rook can be taken in 5 different ways, yet everything leads to checkmate. So if the rook has taken with any of these pieces, it's going to be just these pieces will block the rook from accessing the f7 file, I mean the f7 square, which is perfect for the knight to jump there, deliver the checkmate. Isn't that cool? Everything, literally every minor piece would just block the rook. How about the rook itself? This is kind of amazing. The rook has taken it, and this is no longer checkmate. Knight to f7 is no longer checkmate. But what did you notice in this position? Well, the rook being on e7 blocks the defense of the bishop. We can simply capture the bishop and deliver checkmate with a pawn instead. So meaning the rook can't capture our rook. So what about the queen? Like this. So what do you think the best move in this position? If you'd like to pause, just think some kinds of tactics. Again, this is a threat and this is a threat. You can't just combine this. So when you combine these ideas, knight to f7 is simply going to be checkmate, but now the queen can capture that, which makes the queen, which deflects the queen, the defense of the bishop. Now the queen can't defend the bishop, and that is called a deflection. It's a sacrifice, and now the king is just out of moves, and that is checkmate. Such a fascinating puzzle, right? So it's taken from a real game, I think. Yeah, it's taken from a real game, and white is down 2 pieces, and the recap is queen to g5 check, and the bishop has to take that, and we are going to play rook to e7. So if any of these pieces capture that, we simply play knight to f7. But the best move, if the rook captures, obviously it blocks the defense of the queen. We just simply capture that, and no one can capture the pawn, and that is going to be just checkmate. So taking the queen would be just a little trickier, but we attract the queen. This is a forcing move. The queen has to capture the knight, otherwise it would be just a checkmate. We attract the queen, we lure the queen into a bad position, a bad square, and make it leave the defense for the bishop, capturing the bishop and delivering the final blow. So this is the solution. If you found this entertaining, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos like this every day. I will see you in the next video. Bye.